In this video, I will discuss 5 things that may hinder your ability to manifest your desires. By avoiding these things, you will see immediate results. If you are currently practicing manifestation methods taught by Neville Goddard, but you've not seen any results in your 3D reality, it is possible that you may be engaging in some of these behaviors. Be sure to watch to the end of this video, give it a like, and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Now, it is common for individuals to overlook the necessary conditions required for manifestation. Every manifestation technique suggested by Neville Goddard or other experts has specific conditions that must be met for faster manifestation. In this video, we will discuss some of the most critical conditions that you must follow to achieve success in your manifestation journey. Now, if you've been trying to manifest your desires for several weeks, months, or even years with no results, stopping these 5 things will make a significant difference. Although some of the suggestions may be challenging to implement, the strategy I have devised will yield almost immediate results. It is essential to understand that what we focus on determines what we receive. When we focus on our desired outcomes, we are much more likely to attain them. Conversely, focusing on undesirable outcomes and dwelling on negative thoughts can prevent us from achieving our goals. Neville Goddard frequently emphasizes the importance of living in the end of your desires and focusing on the desired outcome. Now, it is critical to ignore and not give any importance to current realities in your 3D and focus solely on what you want to manifest. Unfortunately, many of us are conditioned to focus on what's already in front of us and what we don't have. Now, in manifestation, we must concentrate exclusively on our desires and tune out all other unwanted circumstances. Thus, it's essential to stop doing these 5 things that are hindering your manifestation. By avoiding these actions, we can instantly manifest our desires. So don't let these actions prevent you anymore from achieving your goals. Number 1 is living in the past. As Neville points out, we manifest more of many unfavorable things that occur to us in our lives when we think about them. Therefore, this is a significant problem that has to be addressed since the majority of us are continuing to do it. But some individuals choose to hold on to these painful memories and it continues to harm them day after day. You know, anytime we think back on a horrible incident that occurred to us in the past, we become sad. But it is our decision. We'll feel depressed if we think about it. Yet, if we don't, we won't feel depressed. And if you think about your past a lot, it starts to influence your present. In addition to destroying your manifestation, this can kill your happiness and leave you in a depressed state most of the time. What about the things you desire to bring into being? What if you gave them some thought? Will you resist feeling joyful and excited? If you consider what you want, your future is connected to your goals and manifestations. Hence, consider the future that lies ahead rather than the past that has passed on. Prepare yourself to receive what you desire. It's approaching and will soon enter your life, so don't dwell on the past. Leave it in the past and let it go. To attract more happy experiences, just consider the good things that have currently happened in your life. If you dwell on the negative incidences from your past, they will continue to manifest in your present and your future. So don't allow these painful memories to have any more impact on your present. As you are aware, your ideas appear in your life, so every idea you have has value and influences the world you experience. Some ideas really do come to pass. Therefore, be careful to let go of the unpleasant memories and focus on the good ones. Neville Goddard advises that you continue to be in the condition of your desired fulfillment, as you know. Since your desire will be granted in the future, the condition of your future is that of a wish that has been fulfilled right now. Neville Goddard advises instead of living in the past and holding on to painful memories, you need to live in the wish fulfilled in your desired state. What if the existing situation was ideal? What if you actually had your desire? And what if you could let go of these painful memories? What I'm trying to say is don't let your past or your current circumstances consume you or consume your life. Simply concentrate on the outcome that you want. The future is already here, so pay attention and be ready for it. Now, the second thing is overthinking and overanalyzing. This is something else that most individuals do, as well as myself, and it ends up being the main reason that your manifestation is delayed. Many individuals have the tendency of overthinking, but for other people, it develops into an addiction that is very difficult to break. If you're serious about realizing your goals, you really need to quit overthinking and overanalyzing everything, because overthinking causes you to manifest a lot of chaos in your life. Your manifestation is delayed since you are unable to choose what you want to focus on and what should be on your primary attention. Neville Goddard advises that you inhabit the condition of your desire and feel as your wish has already come true. The feelings behind your imaginal acts is what truly matters, as it has to do with your inner self. You must pay attention and concentrate to be in that place in which you have your desire. You must imagine yourself in that situation and experience it as genuine. Nevertheless, you can't focus on the ideas linked to your desire when your attention is divided. This prevents you from feeling your desire as true, from assuming your desire and ultimately materializing your desire in the 3D. Thus, the issue is, how can you avoid overthinking? So, a great tool is meditation, which is a great means of reducing overthinking. Now, your mind will become calm during meditation, which will enable you to choose a specific concept to focus on. Meditation and manifestation go hand in hand, particularly if you have trouble focusing and paying attention to the things you want to have in your life. It makes it simple for you to enter a very profound level of relaxation and communicate with your subconscious mind so that you may reprogram it. Now, you may even overcome depression or anxiety by practicing meditation for 10 minutes a day. It helps you feel very content and focused with the present moment. Now, the third thing is pleasing other people and trying to make them happy. If you really want to manifest very quickly, you have to stop doing this, because you get sad when you strive to make other people happy. You will never, ever please people 100%. Everyone else has their own ideas and perspectives on the world. They approach the same issues and objects from various angles, thus their thoughts and opinions may vary from yours. Both you and they are unable to change the other. They have their own objectives and aspirations, as you can see. Their choices, behaviors, and reactions to certain circumstances will vary because their ideas and beliefs have an impact on everything they do. Now, as you are aware, a person's thoughts and ideas may vary greatly depending on their environment, where they grew up, or even their religion. Now, what's this intention? What kind of social circle and parents and friends does everyone else have? What degree do they have? Now, these are only a few significant variables that influence other people's realities and their values and their belief systems. Now, keep in mind that being around positive people improves your ability to create. But you will not achieve your goals if you are continually surrounded by individuals who don't support you or who are very discouraging. Thus, you need to surround yourself with positive people that are very uplifting and who encourage you and assist you in realizing your goals rather than trying to please other people. Your surroundings have a huge impact on your well-being and your mental state. So the secret to manifestation is having a group of friends that are supportive of you and your desires. The third thing is questioning yourself and the entire process. Doubts can be a barrier to individuals achieving their goals if they let them be consumed by their doubts. According to Neville Goddard, every idea and presumption becomes true with time. All our ideas, including those regarding who we are, how we are manifesting, and what we desire to create, will eventually become reality if we continue to impress them upon our subconscious minds. When you doubt yourself, you are trying to achieve a goal, but privately feel unworthy or incapable of doing so. So if you want something, don't question or criticize yourself. Believe that whatever it is, that you can easily manifest it in your life and that it currently is yours. You have always owned it, and those specific items are yours. You may easily realize your desires if you have these thoughts. So be mindful of your doubts. Do not let them overconsume you, but give no importance to them and let them pass whenever they come up. And then continue to affirm and tell yourself that you do have your desires. Now, the fifth thing is that you aren't letting go. One of the main causes of individuals not getting what they want is because of this. You don't wait for the outcomes, since you have entire trust in this process and you know it is effective. When you adhere to this process and you finish what has to be finished, you are fully pleased. It resembles a seed that has been planted and is presently growing. You release and you let go after the process is complete. Experience yourself living in the wish fulfilled. You hold on to this feeling and return to it frequently, which is, in fact, the process of letting it go, because you're letting go of any doubts or negative thinking that you don't have your desire. You let it go and you know that it is complete and that there is nothing left to do. In your life, your thoughts, your speech, the way you act, the way you compose yourself must be reflective that you are the person that has your desire. Because once you embody this state of being, there is nothing left for you to do. You've already let go. Now, I hope you found this video to be helpful in your manifesting journey. Please be sure to hit the like button, leave a comment below with your biggest takeaway, and share this video with someone in your life you think would find this information helpful. Please be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell if you want to be notified every time a new video is uploaded so you can accelerate your manifesting and have the life you truly desire.